Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. So today we're going to be changing our interior lights on the Veloster N. I got a pack from Amazon, and I'll be putting the link in the description and everything. But yeah, let's get to it. See our lights? We got that classic golden brown, yellowish light, and it just doesn't do it for me. I love a good LED light. The trunk light doesn't matter. Actually, none of this matters because you only have the door open for like what, 2 seconds before you get in the car. So really, it's just a preference thing. All right, guys. So inside the car, you see we got our map light or whatever the hell this light is. We got this mirror light here, and then we got one that goes in the back seats. So we're gonna be changing all three of these. All right, guys. So we're gonna open up our pack here. You can see, just have a simple light kit with a little tool. This tool actually makes your life a lot easier because before this pack came out, I believe people were changing like the whole assembly with the LED light already installed. So we're not doing that. That's ridiculous. And something as simple as this should only cost a couple bucks. So all right, let's get started on these main ones. The main dome light here, I'm thinking I just stick this tool in. Oh, cut the damn light on. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, maybe you should unplug your battery. Don't be like me. I don't want to break anything. Okay, nothing broke. Bro, how do you just turn this off? There you go. Okay, lights off. Am I just twisting this bulb out? Not sure. Okay. How's this bulb coming out here? Oh, you just pull it out. It's one of them ones where you just yank it out. Okay. That had me nervous for a second. All right, so let's see what size. I don't see any bulbs in here that look like. Oh, I see it. Okay, so I'm going with these flatter ones. Look at the difference. Let me show you guys. I hope you can see. This is the new bulb compared to the old bulb. Wow, it's crazy. Now, which way are we putting this thing in here? I'm so scared to break anything. I just really don't want to deal with. Dude, is that in? That is not in. I'm gonna get shocked. All right, let's go to this other side now. See if we can push this bad boy in. Oh shit, there we go. Yeah, it's in. Damn, dude, that's nice. All right, let me make sure that's seated. Guess it is. There we go. Damn, big difference. Oh my gosh, that's bright. You guys see that? That's bright. Nice. So we're doing the center light here in the center of the interior, and this one's more of a pain in the butt because I'm like literally facing the awkward angle and the headrest of the seat's in my way. Oh yeah. I'm trying to take off the whole fucking thing. You just put it on the light itself. Sorry. Come on now. There we go. We should be able to get this with our hand. Oops. Hope I didn't break nothing, but see, we got it off. All right, and our light, I'm gonna assume we're just gonna pull it. Oh, this one's different. This light's just kind of, I think it has like a clip or something. Oh, there we go. All right, got that off. Now let me show you guys this light here. You can see. That one's like one of those magnet looking lights here. Okay, so we have our connector. And just placing this in here like this. Should be it. There we go. Dude, that's bright. Sick. Looks good. Looks good. Bam. And that's that. All right, guys, so this one's a little harder to film, these map pocket lights. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting my tool and I'm prying this down, this whole piece here. You want to make sure you get this whole piece. So, see the bulbs right there. So we're gonna go ahead and just swap that thing out. So that's it for the map pocket lights, and I'll show you guys the aftermath of this one. All right, guys, so this is what it's gonna look like when the light's in. This one was a little bit more trickier. I don't know why, but yeah, it should look like this. All right, let's plug it up and test it out. All right, guys, so this is the final product. Look at this interior. It's so much better. Wow. You can see everything. Clear as day. And you know what? The little blue seat belts that this car comes with, it actually accents the lighting. And it has blue stitching, blue little lines going on. So it looks good. I'm pleased. Now we just have one more light to do, and that's our trunk light. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but it looks good, man. Looks good. From the top. Oh, oh, oh. We're on to something. There you go. You guys saw that. Take it out from the top. Oh, it's a whole little switch assembly. So this thing's like a whole joint here. I gotta figure out how to get this bulb out. All right, guys, so this one's a little different. So what you're gonna wanna do is get your tool and place it into this little groove right here. And you're gonna just push down and it's gonna pop this end off. So now you have access to your light. Just wanna share that with you so you won't break nothing. All right, so we got our new light in here. It just sits in there like that. Super simple. Now we're gonna just pop this cap back on. This little square piece right here, you wanna make sure that lines up with this little square. On this other end, you kinda wanna get it like that. And then you just clamp that in now. And you're good, we should be good. Should just turn on automatically. Yep. Just feed it back. All right. This is what the trunk looks like. All right, guys, so that's it for installing our interior lights. We're very happy with the outcome. Everything looks great. Wouldn't want it any other way. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more content on this car. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm posting the link to the lights in the description. So if you guys got a Veloster, I got you. All right, guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more Veloster N content. All right, peace. Oh, you hear that? Damn, somebody's getting it.